Good morning, children. Welcome back again in computer class. Dear children, we have started chapter number 6, that is speeches in MS Word. So today we will continue that chapter. In the last class we have studied finding and replacing text, phrases, how to insert text in a line. So today we are going to discuss how to change the text case. Students, sometimes in a document and small letters into the capital letters. So in that case, we have 5 options. Where can we see that option? Here. This is that option, that is changing text case option. Now click on this. When I will click on this arrow, I can see first is sentence case. Children, in sentence case, the first character in the sentence will be in uppercase and the rest will be in lowercase. Next is lowercase. In this case, all the characters will be in small letters. Next is uppercase. In this case, all the characters will be in capital letter. Now next is capitalize each word. What happens in this case? In this case, the first character of each word is capital, not the complete sentence, but the first letter of each word is capital and the rest of the letters are small case. This is the opposite of capitalize each word. In toggle, the letter that you have written in small will be converted into capital and the letter that you have typed in capital will be converted into the small case in the toggle case. Means toggle, it will change your case. Whatever you have written, it will change that in the opposite case. Now students, we will try all these cases here in this paragraph. Now suppose you see here, this is the first sentence. Now what I have done, I have selected this sentence. Now I will click on this sentence case. Nothing is changed here. Why? Because this sentence is already in sentence case. In sentence case, only the first character will be in capital. This character will be in capital and rest all the letters are in small letters. Now students, next I will click on lowercase. Okay. What I have to do, I will select this sentence and I will click on lowercase. What you have seen? This O is also converted into small case. Why? Because we have selected lowercase option and rest all the letters are also in lowercase as it is. Now next one is uppercase. So I will select this sentence. I am selecting this sentence again and again because I want to show you that what happens when I will do any change in my paragraph. You can apply this case to whole paragraph or whole page, whatever you like. So uppercase, I will select uppercase. What happens? All the characters are converted into uppercase. So this is the uppercase. Now next one is capitalize each word. Now see, the first letter of each word is capital here. You can see here the first letter of lamb, the first letter of wind, the first letter of two, the first letter of D, all the letters are in capital case. So this will be the capital case. Now students, next is toggle case. Now I will select this line and you can see when I will do toggle case, what happens? You can see the capital letters turned into small letters and small letters turned into a capital letter. It means it numbering. Children, number of times you have used keypad from the keyboard. You have typed number 1, number 2, number 3 from the keyboard. Whenever ma'am says, beta, make a list, and you have used the number from the keyboard. No need of now you can see here this option. This is the bullet and the numbering option. When you will click on this option, you can see the various types of numbering. Number 1, number 2, number 1 with the angle brackets, Roman numbers, capital numbers, small numbers. You can select any pattern that you want to use. Now children, here I want to write parts of computer. First of all, I will select this. Then I will keep this as a heading, center, bold, and I will increase the font size. Now first, I will select numbering option from here, number 1. You can see here what ma'am has done. Then I will press enter. Automatically number 2 comes here. When I will press enter, automatically number 3 comes here. So this is the use of the numbering in the computer system. Now next I have bullets. Children, we can use either bullets or numbering option. But where I can use bullet. I can use bullet where you don't have any proper sequence. You can write the points in any way. In any number 1 point can be written as number 2nd place. So you can change the positions of the points. In that case, you can use bullet. यहाँ पे आप लोग उनकी लिखने की डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकते हो. नंबर 1 को एज ए नंबर 2 भी लिख सकते हो. But in the numbering option, you have to use the proper sequence. That is, number 1 means that point has the first priority. Number 2 means that second point has the second priority after number 1. So it means this is the proper sequence. Now how to use bullets? Similar way, if I want to use bullets, I will select the bullets from here. You can see various types of bullets here. I will select this one. Fine. You can see here. Now what happens when I will press enter? Bullets automatically come here. Now I will press this. Automatically bullet come here. Now after that, if I want to write something, I will press enter and I can write CPU again. Then again I can press enter and you can see bullet comes automatically. So this is the use of bullets and numbering in MS Word. Next one is Dropcap option. Children, we are covering that subtopics that are discussed in your book. So whatever I teach you in this class, you have to practice all these things on your computer. To select this, you have to first click on Insert tab. Then you can see here Dropcap. Now what I have to do, first I will click here. Now you can see this option is activated. Now what is the use of Dropcap, children? Dropcap feature allow you to display the first character of the paragraph in a large capital letter. Children, many times you have seen in your storybooks, in your novels, whenever you study that books in your library, you have seen the first letter of the paragraph is like a capital letter, large capital letter, O-N-E-1. So O will be of very large size. So this is the use of Dropcap option. Now I can use dropped. Now you can see here in margin, dropped and none. So this is the use of Dropcap option, and we mostly use these options in the storybooks, in writing some in novel book, in biography, autobiography. We use this option. Now that's all for today class. Next we will discuss in the next class. All the children will practice all these things in your computer system. You will all practice all the subtopics that has been discussed in your book on your computer. You will first listen my video, then follow all the steps that ma'am has discussed with you, and by following all those options you can write a paragraph in your computer system. So thank you children. I hope you have enjoyed this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.